Hello and welcome to another video session. BNFX Trader, our channel BNFX Trader. We thank you for subscribing to our channel. For those of you that have subscribed, and then we plead that those that are yet to subscribe should please go ahead and hit the subscription button, subscribe. We want you to also like our videos, make comment below our videos, ask questions. If you want us to do any video, just state it below any of the video. We'll do that video for you. Also hit the notification button at the bottom of the video so that when we release new videos, you will be the first to see our video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade boom index or crash index. On the chart I have boom 1000 index, 5 minutes time frame. Boom 1000 index, 5 minutes time frame. Boom index or crash index are special assets that involve price spike. Now, boom index will spike upwards, while crash index will spike downwards. Now, we'll be looking at boom index, how you can scalp some profit on boom index. We are looking at boom 1000, and I have 5 minutes time frame on my chart. Now, I have 4 windows this time around. I have the main window. This is my main window. Is my main chart. Just a minute. My main chart. I need to change the properties of the chart. Okay. That's it. Okay. Let me change it to orange color. Okay, let me change the orange. Okay, that's that. This is my main chart. Okay, this is indicator window 1. Okay, and this is indicator window 2, while this is indicator window 3. Just a minute. Okay, this is indicator window 3. Okay, now the way this strategy works is on my main chart, I allow price to cross above the blue line for me to have a buy signal, like I have around here, a buy signal around here. Okay, price has been ticking downwards, but suddenly starts to spike upwards. Okay, and at the same time, my red line is also trying to cross above the blue line. My red line starts to taper around the blue line in an upward manner. Now let's look at the settings of the main chart. The settings. Okay, I have fractals. Basically, I use fractals to know my point of price rejection, a point where I have the support or the resistance area where price is rejected. So fractals will kind of pop up an arrow to tell me, oh, we have a rejection here. That could be your support or your resistance. Now, the next on the main chart, I have 13 period exponential moving average. This time around is applied to high price. Okay, and the color is blue. Also, I have 3 period simple moving average. This time around applied to low. The color is red. So basically, I allow the red line to cross above the blue. But for boom index, I have my spike will be upwards. So it will cross above, then taper around and taper upward. So once I have something like this, a taper upward, I'm expecting a buy situation. I'm expecting price to go long. Okay, I expect to go long with price as price tapers upward. Okay, so and you can see what happens. Price starts to go up. So when price goes up to an extent and it starts to decline, and I have like a cross down, something like this, and I start to have a cross down, more like lower lows, where the red line stays under the blue line in a pronounced manner, where there is not much crossing above, where the red line does not even make an attempt to trying to even touch the blue line, then I start to sell. Okay, so basically, for buy situation, I allow the red line to start to tip to start to cross the blue line in an upward manner, like I have here, in an upward manner, okay? And for short situation, I attempt to sell when the red line just cross and without any attempt to even touch the blue line. So I start to sell in that direction. Now, I don't just sell or buy just like that. I combine the indication on indicator window 1, 2, and 3. I combine the signal on indicator window 1, 2, and 3. How do I do that? I allow, like on indicator window 1, I have my bull indicator, bull power indicator. Okay, and the setting is 13 period. The color is green. Okay, so what I basically do is once the bull power indicator starts to have green bars above the zero level, and I can find at least 3 green bars above the zero level on the bull power indicator, then I anticipate my long situation. Okay, I know there's going to be a price will go, is going to go long. Okay, so I can buy once I begin to have more of the bull's power having bars, green bars above the zero level. I know price is going up. And once the bull power bar starts to go below the zero level, like we have around here, I know price will start to drop, and we may continue to drop for some time. Okay, around here, the bull power bars are well under the, much more under the, they stay much more under the zero level on my bull's power indicator. So I anticipate a sell situation there. So I need at least 3 under, the first 3 under for me to anticipate sell, and also the first 3 above the zero level, like we have around here, for me to anticipate a buy situation. So same thing goes for indicator window 2. What do we have on indicator window 2? We have BS power. What's the settings? Period is 13. The color is red. So it's just the same indication like we have on the boost power. For bullish situation, the red line stays above and forms bars above the zero level. And for bearish situation, the red line, like you can see here, stays more under the zero level. So for me to combine the bulls and the bears power, I allow the formation of the first 3 on the bulls power. For a buy situation, I allow the formation of the first 3. Then for buy situation again, I allow the formation of the first 3. So once I have first 3 at the top here, and I have first 3 at the level here, and also the red line starts to taper around in an upward manner around the blue line, then I anticipate a bullish situation. Same thing for a bearish situation. Once I start to have a first 3 here aligning with my below the zero level, aligning with my first 3 here, aligning below the zero level, with the bars forming below the zero level, and also on the main chart, I have price crossing down and tapering well below the blue line, and also the red line also crossing below the blue line, and not even making attempt to touch the red line, is not even making attempt to touch the blue line. Then I start to sell. Now the last window is the indicator window 3. Okay, let's look at the settings of indicator window 3. What do we have there? Okay, we have RSI, relative strength index. The period is 14, apply to close. Now the color will match the background of your chart. So I have a white, plain white color for this example. Now let's look at the levels. I have 38, 62, 50, 92, 8, 11, 89. Those are the levels on my RSI. Okay. Then I have moving average 3 period. Method is simple, apply to previous indicators data, and the color is red. Now let's go to the chart. How does this work? So how it works is this is my indicator window 3. I allow the red line to cross from below the 50 level above It must cross from below to from the lower region below here above, and also touch the 50 level and make attempt to cross above. So if I have this kind of situation, I know I'll have to buy. I know it's time to buy. More like price has formed a support. Okay, and also the price, the red line now also tapers between, more like a consolidation, tapers between the 38 and 62, and also make attempt to cross above. Once I see an attempt to cross above the 62 level, I know, yes, this is an uptrend, and I enter a full buy. Okay, now let's look at the sell situation. Like I have here, price has been staying up for some time and now start to descend and also cross below the 50 level. As you can see around here, the red line crossed below the 50 level from the 62 down to the 50, and also even touches the 38 level around here. So I anticipate myself, and you can see what happened at the top. Price sold heavily here. You have scalped a lot of profit, and as long as the red line does not touch your blue line, you can ride the trend. Just ride and ride. Now you can see what happened here. The red line start to touch the blue line. You know it's the end of your downtrend, of the downtrend. You may start to buy. So that's that about this strategy. It's a very good strategy for specifically for boom and crash index. You will like it. Backtest it. Check it with other time frames. You can try it on 15-minute time frame. You can try it on 30-minute time frame. You can even try it on 1-minute time frame. Make sure you get the grip of this strategy before you start to go live on it. So that's that for this strategy. I want you to like our video, subscribe to our channel, make comments, ask questions wherever you're not clear. We'll try as much as possible to answer your questions. Also, we want you to hit the notification button at the bottom of the video so that when we bring up another strategy for boom and crash, you'll be the first to see that video. You can also go to our website to see other strategies that we have published in time past. Our website is www.binfxtrader.com. So we want you to subscribe to our channel so that you see more of our videos. So that's that for this strategy. Till I come your way next time, is bye for now.